only has 3 kings and a jack, but you're 5-4. And on the particular night that Mr. John Bennett in America was playing the hand in 1929, he decided to open 1 spade. It's a very light opening bid, no aces and not a very good second suit, but anyway, he decided to open 1 spade. The next hand overcalled in diamonds and Mrs. Bennett jumped straight to game. So Mrs. Bennett had 4 spades and a singleton and an ace, quite a nice hand. And this is how the hand was played in the beginning. They started with the ace of diamonds and switched to a club. Now let's make a plan to try and make this hand. If we can establish the clubs, we might be able to get rid of these heart losers. And we don't know how spades are breaking, but we do have control in clubs, and we can also trump a diamond to get up to the north hand. So let's run the club around to the king and test the spades. Try the 10. It holds the trick. Keep going with spades because we might as well get rid of the trumps. They broke 3-1. Now the queen is dropping and we've drawn trumps. Play clubs, the ace of clubs, and our 10 drops on it. The jack lead followed by the 6 looks like a doubleton. Therefore, East will hold 2 clubs, the queen and the 7, but we can take what's called a roughing finesse play, the 9, the queen covers it, trump, and that has established our 8 and 4. How marvellous. So trump the diamond to get up to the hand and enjoy the club winners. There's the 7, and the 4 is the last club. No one has any trumps, so now we'll play a heart, hoping that the ace is in the east hand, but it doesn't look like it. No, it's not. But we've only lost 2 hearts and 1 diamond. We made 420. On the night in question, Mr. Bennett didn't make the hand. It's quite a hard hand to play. But reasonably, it's very unusual to be in 4 spades. So if this hand passes, East-West will probably reach a contract in diamonds, and maybe North-South will reach a part score in spades, but not a game in spades. Anyway, this is how you could have made the most infamous hand in bridge history.